Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful early evening here in sunny South Yorkshire. My little cottage garden, just sat on my little stone that I use for a stool. Here we have been down to Wilko's, which is just opened today. Well, reopened. It closed down. It was sold off. First thing I bought was this storage round flexi tub, which is absolutely brilliant. I love these. The only problem with any of these is the handle always goes. So what you want me to do then, just cut it off there and put a new handle out there. Yeah, these are just some seedlings. Bought myself till I'm getting a bit older. A nice new kneeler pad, great. And then we got some Tomarite, which I love using because got myself some Tomarite, which I absolutely love using. 50% more tomatoes, and that will come in handy for what we got here. Got some tomato Alicante, one of my favourite tomatoes. Then we have Lobelia Colour Cascade Mix. And these ones, these are Cosmos Sensation. These are brilliant, really fast growing. You can deadhead them and they'll carry on flowering right up to the first frost throws. And dahlias, I love growing my own dahlias. These pom-poms are absolutely great. They're great for the front and the middle of the borders. You get a lot of nice colour with those. So that is those. So let's open. Well, this arrived last week. Ordered this, and we have in here, as you can see, first of all we have, these were, some of these were from Amazon. These from Amazon, Bucephalia, Common Garden. These are definitely one of my favourites. These tend to be grown and used a lot in wedding bouquets because the colours on them are stunning. And then we have, here showing you, we have the other part of this order from Amazon. And I've got these Lobelia Pendula Cascade Mix 7 seeds, and there's some tomato seeds in there as well. I don't know if you can see those there. And these from Amazon, and these from Happy, which comes in handy with my channel Be Happy, so I'm happy growing. So I'm hoping that these grow really well, which would be nice. Then we have in here, you see, when I ordered these from Wilko, the minimum order of each lot is 4 packets, so it could be £2, but I'm thinking about sewing a packet of these each and giving the other 3 away. So we'll see how we get on. So I've got Larkspur, really nice English cottage garden favourite. This is a really good one as well. We have, the scent on these, Evening Primrose, and I'm not even going to begin to try and pronounce that, but yeah, these are brilliant. Once they get them in the garden, they normally come back year after year self-seeding. But yeah, the scent on these, just walk through, just when it's like this, the sun's just setting and the garden will be full of a sweet, sweet heavenly scent. Then we have an old-fashioned English variety, Marigold. This is French Petite Mixed. This is one of my favourites. I can remember watching a garden programme, Gardener's World, years and years ago when I was a kid. And these were always in the council borders for the areas. And then we have another favourite of mine, Pansy Swiss Giants Mix. And the colour and the scent on these will be absolutely stunning. Those are a little bit more expensive, 75p a packet. Wow. Another favourite of mine, Lobelia String of Pearls. So I'm growing 3 or 4 different types of Lobelia this year for my pots and baskets. So we're going to have a busy weekend this weekend. Just tips for the rest. Olitum, Carpet of Snow. Really nice ground cover plant for your rockeries or your front of borders, just to cover things up so stopping weeds coming through. And the last time I grew these, I ended up with some plants that were 7 or 8 feet high. So Wilko, Delphinium, Pacific Giants mix. As you can see there, a really nice variety there. So we have one thing I'm so excited about growing this year, Wilko Giant single sunflowers. I thought I'm going to plant a couple in pots there and a couple in pots there, and I can tie them in all the way up without measuring them every week. So keep watching, keep posted. Like I said, I'm only using a packet of these, and then I'm probably giving the rest away. To be brilliant. Then we have another favourite of mine, Wilko Stock 10-week mixed. The scent on these is just outstanding. So that's all mine. A massive amount of seeds there. I hope you carry on watching, because this weekend we're going to be sowing and starting off some of these and potting on some stuff that I've already started and growing in the greenhouse. So yeah, tune in tomorrow. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden or greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. And if you like the videos, please subscribe, please like, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.